Title: The Journey of Butterflies, A Historical Perspective. Introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and fellow nature enthusiasts, thank you for joining me today. I invite you on a fascinating journey, a journey that spans millions of years, traversing ancient landscapes and evolving ecosystems to explore the captivating history of one of nature's most delicate and inspiring creatures, the butterfly. Butterflies have long enchanted us with their vibrant colors, delicate wings, and graceful flight. But beyond their stunning beauty lies a rich and complex history that touches on evolution, ecology, art, culture, and even our scientific understanding of life itself. Today, I will share with you the story of butterflies, from their ancient origins deep in Earth's past to the critical roles they play in our modern world. The dawn of butterflies, origins, and early evolution. Let us begin at the very beginning. Imagine Earth over 190 million years ago, during the age of the dinosaurs, when the planet was a wild and untamed landscape. In this primordial world, the ancestors of modern butterflies were taking their first tentative steps. Butterflies belong to the order Lepidoptera, a diverse group that includes both butterflies and moths. While today we marvel at the flutter of butterfly wings in our gardens, their ancestors were far more modest in appearance. In those ancient days, the early Lepidoptera were small, moth-like creatures with scaly wings. These creatures existed during a time when the Earth's flora was drastically different from what we see today. The dominant vegetation consisted primarily of ferns, cycads, and other primitive plants, rather than the flowering flora that now adorn our landscapes. It wasn't until the Cretaceous period, roughly 100 million years ago, that a remarkable transformation began, a transformation that would forever alter the course of butterfly evolution. During the Cretaceous, flowering plants, or angiosperms, burst onto the scene, transforming terrestrial ecosystems. As these new plants spread across the continents, they brought with them an abundance of nectar and pollen, resources that had previously been in short supply. Butterflies, with their developing proboscises, a specialized tubular mouthpart, found in these flowering plants both sustenance and the perfect opportunity for coevolution. In essence, as the plants evolved, so too did the butterflies, each influencing the evolutionary path of the other in a beautiful, symbiotic dance. By the time we reached the Eocene epoch, about 50 million years ago, the butterfly had begun to emerge in forms that would be recognizable to us plants. As they flit from bloom to bloom, collecting nectar and inadvertently transferring pollen, butterflies have become essential pollinators, a role that has shaped entire ecosystems. This intricate relationship is a prime example of coevolution, where two or more species evolve in response to each other. The vibrant colors and enticing scents of flowers evolved, in part, to attract pollinators such as butterflies. In return, the butterflies developed specialized traits, like elongated proboscises and color vision tuned to the hues of flowers, that allowed them to extract the nectar and pollen efficiently. This mutualistic relationship has helped both parties thrive and adapt over millions of years. As we consider this interdependence, it becomes clear that butterflies are more than just pretty insects. They are active participants in the grand ecological ballet, ensuring the continuation of plant species and, by extension, the health of entire ecosystems. From tropical rainforests to temperate meadows, butterflies contribute to the biodiversity and resilience of the natural world. Fourth, butterflies in human culture, symbols, myths, and art. Throughout history, butterflies have fluttered their way into human culture and imagination. Across civilizations, these delicate creatures have been imbued with symbolic meaning, often representing transformation, hope, and the ephemeral nature of life. In many cultures, the butterfly is seen as a messenger or a symbol of the soul, a reminder that change is both natural and beautiful. In ancient Greek and Roman mythology, butterflies were associated with the human soul, an emblem of the transient yet transformative nature of life. In Japan, the butterfly is a symbol of grace and longevity, often featured in art and literature as a sign of enduring beauty. Similarly, in Native American traditions, butterflies are seen as symbols of rebirth and change, echoing the natural cycles of the seasons. This symbolic significance is not limited to mythology and folklore. Butterflies have also found a prominent place in the realm of art and literature. Poets and painters alike have drawn inspiration from their vibrant patterns and seemingly weightless flight. The butterfly's ephemeral beauty has served as a muse, prompting reflections on life, change, and the inexorable passage of time. Even today, modern art and design continue to celebrate the butterfly's aesthetic appeal. From delicate jewelry to intricate tattoos, the motif of the butterfly endures as a symbol of transformation and freedom. It is a testament to the enduring power of nature's designs, a reminder that beauty and change are deeply intertwined. The scientific study of butterflies, from early observations to modern research. The allure of butterflies is not solely rooted in their physical beauty or cultural symbolism. They have also been at the forefront of scientific inquiry for centuries. Early naturalists and explorers marveled at the diversity of butterflies, meticulously documenting their appearances, behaviors, and habitats. In doing so, they laid the groundwork for modern evolutionary biology and ecology. One of the most significant contributions of butterflies to science is their role in the study of evolution. The variations in wing patterns, colors, and sizes among different species of butterflies provided early evidence of natural selection at work. Charles Darwin, among others, observed these variations and considered them crucial pieces of evidence for his theory of evolution. The subtle gradations and intricate designs found in butterfly wings became a living laboratory for understanding how species adapt to their environments. In the centuries that followed, scientists developed sophisticated methods to study butterflies. Taxonomists categorized thousands of species, identifying new ones and mapping out the relationships between them. Field studies and laboratory research revealed not only the physical adaptations of butterflies, but also their genetic underpinnings. Today, the study of butterfly genetics and evolution continues to yield insights into broader biological processes, including speciation, adaptation, and even climate change. Modern technology has further revolutionized the scientific study of butterflies. High-resolution imaging, genetic sequencing, and advanced ecological modeling have opened new windows into the lives of these creatures. Researchers are now able to trace migration patterns, study population dynamics, and even predict how environmental changes might impact butterfly populations. In this way, the humble butterfly has become a key indicator species, a living barometer for the health of our ecosystems. Sixth, butterflies in the age of conservation, challenges and hope. Despite their remarkable history and critical ecological roles, butterflies today face a myriad of challenges. Habitat loss, climate change, and pollution have all taken their toll on butterfly populations around the globe. In many regions, species that once flourished now struggle to survive in fragmented landscapes and degraded environments. Conservationists and scientists are working tirelessly to address these challenges. Efforts to preserve natural habitats, restore native vegetation, and promote sustainable agricultural practices are all part of a broader strategy to protect butterflies and the ecosystems they support. In many parts of the world, community-based initiatives and citizen science projects have played an essential role in monitoring butterfly populations and raising public awareness about conservation issues. The story of butterfly conservation is one of both caution and hope. It reminds us that even the most delicate creatures can be vulnerable in a rapidly changing world. At the same time, it is a call to action, a rallying cry for all who care about the natural world to work together to ensure that future generations can witness the breathtaking beauty of butterflies in flight. Reflections on a timeless legacy. As we reflect on the history of butterflies, we are reminded that their story is not just one of evolution and adaptation, but also of connection. The butterfly's journey, from ancient moth-like ancestors to the vibrant pollinators that grace our gardens, mirrors our own journey through time, marked by change, growth, and renewal. In every flutter of a delicate wing, There is a reminder that life is in constant motion, ever evolving and filled with wonder. The butterfly's history is a narrative of resilience and transformation, a narrative that has been written over millions of years and continues to unfold with every new generation. It teaches us about the power of nature to adapt, the beauty of change, and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of our ecosystems. It invites us to look beyond the surface, to appreciate the intricate processes that underlie even the simplest forms of life, and to find inspiration in the endless dance of evolution. Conclusion. In closing, the history of butterflies is a rich tapestry woven from threads of science, art, culture, and nature. From their ancient origins in a world dominated by dinosaurs to their pivotal role in modern ecosystems, butterflies have left an indelible mark on the earth and on our collective imagination. They remind us that change is not something to be feared, but rather embraced, a natural, beautiful process that underpins all of life. As we continue to navigate the challenges of our time, be it habitat loss, climate change, or environmental degradation, we can draw strength from the resilience of the butterfly. Its ability to transform, adapt, and thrive is a powerful testament to the enduring spirit of nature. And so, as you leave here today, I invite you to carry with you the image of the butterfly, a symbol of hope, renewal, and the timeless beauty of our natural world. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the history